You can hear it pumping. Can't believe how this is it. Oh, I can't really see him, he's on the other side. It was the bushy way. There's a high chance that's going to be it. Pumping down there. It's a cool little bridge. Welcome to Ubud, congestion capital of Indonesia. Look at a bridge. There's a rafting trip underneath us right now. A few rafts coming through. Yeah. Welcome to Ubud, congestion capital of Indonesia. No, it's probably not, but it's pretty bad here. A lot of tourism walking around. Yeah, it's taking us ages to move around in the middle of the day, so I hate to see what peak hour is like. But then again, I think the whole time is peak hour. All right, how's it going, people? This is an interesting one. We're trying to get down to this creek to a waterfall called Sayan. So hopefully this is going to work. We're on this weird laneway, so it's supposed to turn into some stairs to go down. So we'll see if it's going to work out. I'm a bit skeptical on how this is going to be. It's a nice banana plantation, foresty. I don't know. There's a sign that says pool bar, but it's supposed to be a walkway. We'll see if it's going to work. It's a cool little bridge. Okay, so a little bit of track there, just seem to stay up high. We need to get down low here, so we can try this and see if it's going to take us down. And the dock will see. Looks like a very dodgy bridge across the river down there. We're going to see if this is going to work. We shall see. The waterfall trip run up the side here. You can hear, but I can't really see it. There's a high chance that's going to be it. Pumping down there. I ended up at 2 doors. That was the apartments that weren't it. And I found a track that says jogging, so hey, we're jogging. Let's try it. Almost down. We're not on the track I have, but it's obviously wrong. We meant to come from the other side, but like, a dark little crevice. Holy hell. But we ended up on this side by accident, the way the GPS took us, and we had 40 minutes to get around, which is, we don't have that time, so we'll see. Look at a bridge. There's a rafting trip underneath us right now. A few rafts coming through. Have a tour. This is wild. Wow. Okay, so this is the track we're meant to be on. I think it's down here. I don't think it's up. Down makes more sense. We'll see how this is going to go. It looks like they're going to be rafting over the waterfall, which is pretty wild. We're about 3 minutes early. We might have actually got them or some footage of them going down it, but I think we're going to be too slow. That's all right. We're not here for that. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, waterfall even splits on an island, I reckons. You can hear it pumping. Can't believe we found a way down for those villas. That was wild. Look how steep the hill is. We've just come down. Extracurricular. We're doing it. Oh fuck, we can actually get the shot of this. Wait for it, wait for it. Wow, this is it. Oh, I can't really see him, he's on the other side. It was the bushy way. Oh well. This is it, people. Nothing crazy, but yeah. Well, it's not a really big waterfall. That's pretty much it. It's pretty much just a weir. Anyway, it's not actually the photo I found when I looked online. Obviously it was deceiving. I should have gone by the fact that it had pretty flat elevation, being the river it is, but yeah, look, I found it regardless. Definitely would be fun to go down it in the boats. Good for them. Alright, back up and out the steep hill now. It's gonna be fun times. But yeah, now you know it's here. It's pretty cool. Like, this hillside is pretty cool. Like, can't argue with that. All the villas up there. We were supposed to come from here as a start point, but that didn't happen. Anyway, up and out. At least you know you come from either side. I'm not trying to charge for it, obviously, being the weir that it is. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the journey. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified of all the new adventures. Catch you in the next one, eh? Peace out.